Little Rock. It's a dangerous city. These are the stories of the men and women in blue that protect the city. Tonight's episode: Demolition Derby at Domino's.
Here's the airport service all day.
All units stand by for recovery call broadcast emergency 376
All units, helping in 314.
He was parked right here when I was putting in. He backed into my car. He got out the car. Well, I got out the car. He got out the car. I looked at my car. He ended up looking at his car. I guess he was mad, whatever. I asked him, "You have insurance?" Because I got insurance. He started going crazy. 20 from up. He said, "Bitch, cause you eat bitch that, bitch that in the third, rowdy." You know what I'm saying? I asked him if we got insurance. Like, he really got mad when the girl came out and said these cameras could see.
He said they don't have.
He kept saying, "We ain't got cameras, we ain't got cameras," or whatever. Like basically saying, like it's my resident shows. So when she came out and said we got cameras, I'm like, well, what I'm gonna keep fussing with you for? Like, it's over with. Like, what I'm gonna keep fussing with you for?
And
He in here. He in Domino's.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what he's wearing?
We got Domino's.
It's the same right here.
Yeah, it's a guy here. You got some big microphone. Oh, I gotta call that a disturbance.
Yes, they had somebody come over with a gun.
Okay. And where's the person that hit you?
They hit me. I was backing up and they swooped in and hit me. But they had somebody come over with a gun threatening me coming to this store. So y'all need to go find whoever they was and arrest them.
Let me get some information. Where's your details?
They're blue and orange out.
They're saying that you bagged into their vehicle.
I'm bagging up. They swooped in and hit me. And I was bagging in. She was on her phone. She got 3 people. I got all my employees in here. Came to see me. And she got out. She was on her phone.
What's your last name?
Harley. H-A-R-T-L-E-Y. H-A-R-T-L-E-Y.
I was thinking, say, y'all want to go ahead and just pull into a parking spot? Open it up a little bit.
You got to pick on them.
Yeah.
What's that?
Creed.
501.
Cassandra. How about that? There it goes.
License plate number.
No, I ain't handicapped. That's y'all.
So yeah, all right. A lot of stuff going on. So
Oh, I appreciate you so much.
yeah.
Thank you.
So yeah, all right.
5-1-5-1.
For 5-3 right here. I just see it.
What's your first name?
K-H-A-I-L-A.
K-H-A-I-L-A.
A-I-L-A. I-L-A.
What's your name, sir? What's a good number?
She the manager in the red shirt.
Okay, this one. Alright, I'll go in here.
So do you even know what's going on, or?
So, what happened was they got into basically an accident inside the parking lot, and they were trying to share. She was trying to get his insurance information, and he stated that basically flipped out on them, and they were arguing back and forth. He stated that a person came up here with a gun, and I asked her about it. She said nobody was involved with a gun. So really, we got a accident. That's the reason of disturbance regarding the accident.
Okay.
And when she realized they had a camera, she stopped. Hi. I wanted to take a look at the camera.
Okay, so
How does that work?
I'm assistant manager. So I've already called my general manager, and she basically said that she can't physically do it, but our corporate people can. So she's gonna have them pull it up. So she said that the young lady whose car was hit, she can come up here in the morning with the report, whatever, and she can.
Go ahead with your mileage.
Did you see the incident?
No, ma'am, I was in here.
Mileage is 58417.
Aftermath, he was yelling so loud.
851.
So,
Did anything get physical?
he was acting like he was finna run up on over. He was very aggressive.
Okay.
X-ray 55, go ahead.
Thank you. Actually,
Can I get the Air Force One vehicle broadcast, please?
All you gonna stand by for a stolen vehicle broadcast for X-ray 55.
Yes, ma'am.
The vehicle's going to be a 2014 Nissan Altima, black in color. It was taken from 305 around 1600 hours on today's date. In the vehicle, the video showed that
Yeah, just
it could possibly be on the back of a tow truck. It's going to be having Arkansas plate, George, Frank, Charles, Edward, Adam, Tom.
What do you know exactly how the accident happened?
Full clear 1952.
Or
he
what?
was pulling in and he was trying to bag up, and he bagged into her. He didn't see.
That's what she's saying?
Yeah, he was stopped, and she stated that she couldn't see anything. There's just a camera, and I know she said that it was.
So where did the accident happen out here?
I haven't got that part
Okay.
yet.
I was just wondering.
Five 1 to 53. Stand by for 21.
Where exactly did the accident happen? Right here.
That's what I
X-ray
said,
41, X-ray 42.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so, like, I don't know how y'all do stuff, but I know mine can.
41, 10 battery up.
Yeah.
Commercial alarm at 425 West Mark. Correction, 425 West Capitol Avenue. 425 West Capitol Avenue at Center State. Activation is the left main door.
So his car wasn't originally there. No, he baked that car over there. This car was right, maybe this car was right out.
40, that's mine. It goes off all the
I'm
time.
coming. And he backed up, says
40, that's mine. I can buy them. It goes off all the time.
and as he hit my car, I stopped.
X-ray 41, X-ray 42 available. X-ray 40 around.
And that's when, you know, he holding his head like, I don't know if you got insurance now. I don't know if that's what he was so, you know, whoop-de-doo for. But I basically asked him, do you have insurance? I got insurance. Do you have insurance?
X-ray 40. They also lied that the keypad camera shows that the cleaners are on scene. Sent it to a river market unit.
She said we got cameras. He started.
She only said that because he was bragging about Dominos.
Oh yeah, he's like, we don't have cameras. We don't have cameras. He was walking out.
Henry 912.
She heard it. She was like, well, we got cameras. So I went in and
Another report of the CIC female outside stating that she's feeling as if she's going to pass out. Medical hold it short. Unit the back, Henry 912.
Information, but the vehicle was parked right here.
Walmart
He
looking.
was backing up.
My car was coming in.
So were you stopped or were you still going?
I was coming up slowly, and he baked up fast. Then he hit the
Yes, he came out of nowhere. He wasn't. The car wasn't moving. His car wasn't moving until like as soon as he got there, he just hit it. And I hollered, and I was like, "Oh, he got it!" Tweaked out. Like
X-ray 70.
I think if he a manager, he would have been more. But he
calm and
he was standing on top of the table. He hopping over the car,
They have a battery with the
and we like, well, you hit the car, you know, like we just asked for insurance. We ain't saying nothing. I don't know if you got insurance or not. That's
Building number 7, apartment 7B as the boy. Complainant advised that the victim was assaulted by the victim's child's father as well as his wife. Medical hold it short. Unit the back, X-ray 70.
X-ray 61.
So I'm definitely confused on how to handle this.
You know how to work an accident, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to have.
Young 82,
I
can
know
you
the
copy arrival?
exchange forms. I can just give them an exchange form.
So do you know if he was backing up from right here, or was he pulled into a parking space backing out?
And that's what I was trying to figure out. So that's, well, if she was parked right here, he had to be backing up from that way. Cause I asked.
Makes sense now?
X-ray 70, X-ray 61, updated information on my second going to be here.
Oh, so he was originally parked right here.
The suspects are still on scene. The victim is holding her child.
So if you're working if you're working an accident, you should probably clarify some details if you're unsure about something. So we know their side of it now, so we should probably ask him more details about what happened, like how were you parked and what were you doing, and hey, what happened when this guy was gun. Get a full story instead of just jumping around from person to person. I got to go back to him. And if also, if you're going to work an accident, what else do you need besides just name, date of birth, address, and phone number?
I mean,
License, 81 starts to the robbery of harm and
all that extra paperwork. So now you're going to have to go back to her. You get what I mean? And you're also going to have to go back to him to get his vehicle information and all that. So.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Y'all were in the vehicle as well, right?
No, she did.
Oh, just her. You want to be listed in the report, or are you good, or?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, she was a passenger when you put her in the report as well.
X-ray 40, X-ray 41.
Yeah, I mean that's all it is. Yeah, I don't need it for nothing.
2305 Fairpark Boulevard. 2305 Fairpark Boulevard. Play advised by her neighbor across the street. Is yelling for someone to call 911. No further information.
Oh, 501-536-0145. Just anxious over it. Got it.
2 X-ray 60.
X-ray 60, go ahead.
You can show all units clear from North Bowman and Markham. You can show myself and Young 71. And right for that alarm on Candace Road. We're not too far from it. You go ahead with the notes, please.
Yes, you're good. I think copy.
Trying to be at Discount Tires and Brakes. Commercial alarm activation is coming in as the second door. X-ray 91 today. X-ray 80, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. You can see me on register.
His name Austin or Shannon?
Sister copy came in from Zimmerman's Ep1. Male and the female can be heard in the background arguing. They want to enter into the call taker questions. X-ray 91, will you back? Yes, sir. 5223 Coffee University Avenue. X-ray 52, go ahead. Central copy.
I think that's him right there.
No, that's the witness.
Oh, that's the other guy? Oh.
I remember.
Oh, there it is.
I need a license and a registration.
Like a black, he was in scrubs, had a white car.
So what was he doing with the firearm, or what was he saying?
He was finna reach for it. He was finna shoot me. So he should be fucking arrested. That's terrorist threatening. They called him up here.
No, I'm saying, what did he say exactly?
He'll shoot.
He'll shoot?
Yeah. So I told him this. Put up 3-wood little court if you want it.
That white car, you said he was wearing scrubs.
Scrubs.
Did you get the license plate?
No, ma'am, but they know him. They called, that's her boyfriend, she said. So.
And you said he said what?
He'll shoot.
He only said he would shoot.
He'll shoot. He said he'll come up and whoop my ass because he got mad because I called her a bitch because she hit me from behind.
When did he say he'll come up here and whoop y'all?
30 minutes before y'all came up here. He was already up here. Came in the store and everything.
Oh, shoot, she got him. You remember what the gun looked like?
Black pistol.
Just a black pistol. Just tucked in his waistband.
Which way did he go, man?
He went out that way, went that way.
Henry 912, go ahead.
And secure. We're going to be down at the entrance of the convention center.
And do you know what kind of white car this was?
A Mustang.
A Mustang. What do you know about what year?
Maybe 18 or up.
Was convertible, 2-door, 4-door?
2-door.
2-door. No, non-convertible hardtop.
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 Did you happen to hear a name, a possible name?
I didn't hear no name, but she said that's her boyfriend.
Yeah.
He said that's my girlfriend. You call him a bitch, and I'm like, dude, you getting mad because she hit me? Because she called me out my name first, then I called her. Like, shit don't make it make sense. Like, you call this motherfucker to shoot me, kill me, take me from my kids and shit.
Right, I believe it's not. Oh, when y'all hit each other, what were you
There goes his tailgate.
Okay. I was backing up, and
Ep1.
she swooped in and hit me from behind right here.
Where were you backing up?
That part spot right there. You feel me? Where they in?
Okay. And where were you going when you backed up? Were you leaving?
No, I was trying to back up right here.
And what side did you?
This one.
I was backing up right here, coming up, backing up in here, from over there. Bam. So I was backing up, I was gonna go like this, and come back right here like I normally do. And she swooped in, hit me right there. When I was looking back, it was no cars right there, no cars right there. So I had a green light to back on up. But she swooped in and bam.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I need this information.
We gotta put it. We'll get y'all basically driver exchange forms with all of her information, your information. They'll get swapped. We don't give addresses or anything crazy like that. So it'll just be pretty much you get her vehicle information, she gets yours. Oh, found it. Here, I'll just show you how to do them on the computer. They've already been out here like close to an hour, so let's get them out of here. We took their report for the accident. They're claiming no gun was involved or anything, but he's claiming there is a gun and that she knows who the male is, but she's denying that.
And I asked the witness, and she said it was nobody but just them out here.
Yeah.
Nobody else.
Yeah. Okay. Let's get them out of here.
So do they got his do I got his insurance?
Yeah. Yeah, you can still pull the video and give that to your insurance, so that'll say exactly what happened.
Okay. And you're free to go. I got all your information.
Yeah.
And so when you're in the insurance claim,
Hey, I was going to say, unless they ask, don't mention a ticket or anything. I mean, so you don't have to mention that. Just conflicting statements. Just give them the exchange forms, give them the stuff back, and call it good.
Here's the Harmony. Here's your information. And here's her insurance information.
So what y'all gonna do about play?
So we're going to write a separate report. I mean, she's of course denying everything if she knows the person. So we're going to basically document that they do have video footage over here, so they should be able to see something. And y'all got them at least on the inside.
Yeah, but I will definitely get that footage to y'all.
Yeah. So the report number on the top of that page, you see the 2024 number. That's our police report number. So whenever I guess whoever manager, boss, whoever can pull video footage, see if they can save a clip for us, and then that way we can come pick it up and everything like that. But we'll try to do our own investigation, see what we can pull up, and try to find that 2-door Mustang.
All right, I sure do appreciate y'all.
That's no problem. So, north of the north, it's north, so north of North Curb line. Just going to put you right here 30 feet. You can say maybe, I don't know, 40 feet west of the west of Hidden Valley. That puts you at this point right here. So, you're right.
You know how good I feel right now? Because I was struggling with those curve lines. I mean, the AOI.
I guess different looking at a computer screen versus being here. Well, if you don't get it down, I'll have you out here with roll tape so we can get it right.
Well, I still
Look for 70 and for 71.
I came a long way.
You're okay.
University Park. Another reason of the iPhone crash notification that came from normal.
I mean, if she didn't move her car, I mean, he had to have been backed up, like, already out this way. She just came around the corner.
Too fast. Okay, so we can stop this.
Yep. We'll sort it out.
Be sure to tune in again next week for another episode of Little Rock Cops, a Snarky Media Group production.